friends, welcome back again to Area Space. And so today on this video we are going to be making this delicious breakfast meal, and this is a must for you to try. So if you're a mom out there and you don't know what to cook or to prepare for your child, this you should try this is it's something. It's very sweet, very delicious, yummy, and your child is going to love it, and very soft. So stay tuned on this video as I show you how you're going to prepare this breakfast meal. So with the ingredients, we have the chapa mandazi, that's called the baking powder, and then we have the coriander, and then the all-purpose flour, and then 2 potatoes and just 1 egg. Okay, but if you're not an egg lover, don't add the egg, it's optional. And for the coriander, if you're not a you don't love adding veggies in your snacks, you can opt it out, don't try it. But for me, I just loved it and it was amazing. So let's get started.